Hi there everyone, I tried uploading some videos of my lighter collection a couple days ago, but it didn't work, so figured I'd give it another try, see what happens this time, see if it'll work. Most of mine are genuine Zippo lighters actually, but I have a few that are reproductions or non-Zippo or just plain not even like a Zippo, but I'm going to show you all of them anyways. We'll start out with just my accessories like my Zippo flints. 6 in here. One's a Ronson flint that I put in there. Nothing special. Zippo lighter fluid, large can. 12 ounce. And now to start with the lighters, we'll start with this lighter here. It's just a mini jukebox looking lighter. Doesn't work, but it's kind of cool. Flips open like that. It's got a little keychain to hook onto your belt or keys or whatever you want. Next is my other small Zippo, or small lighter I have. It's not a Zippo, it's a Ronson. It's a mini. Has the chain on it for your keychain, keys, whatever. No flint though. They take special flints actually, these do. But this one has not been used that much actually. It's in pretty good shape. It's different, nifty. Next is my everyday carry Zippo. Spectrum finish, pretty fingerprinted though. But it's a 10 model. It's a 2010 model. Pretty good shape on the outside. Lights are lazy. It's my everyday carry Zippo. Next is my other carry Zippo that I carry every now and then. It's a Marlboro Red Roof. Overall nice lighter, but it is a bit of a beater lighter, that's why I do carry it. Don't know if you can see that, but I do my best. Has a little dent on the top, but same as the other one. Does light just fine. Next is my Trans-Canadian Airlines Zippo. This was a Zippo I found in California for like $3. It's a nice lighter actually. Needs the hinge repaired on it, but otherwise it's a good lighter. It's old. It's an old Zippo actually. It's a slim model. It's a rare lighter. Next are my two Zodiac sign Zippos I have. This one is Pisces. Paid $4 for it. Needs the hinge fixed on it though. But otherwise nice. Next is the matching Pisces Zippo. Just different color. Both slim. No fluid though. Does strike though. Same year. 74s. Now give me a second because I gotta do a couple videos so it'll actually let me upload them.